Hi, my name is Anna and welcome to Rebecca Language School online class. Come with me and let's learn English together. Today, we are going to talk about how to use let's. Let's is a short term for let us. We use let's to make suggestions about what you and other people should do. The sentence pattern is simple. It is let's plus infinitive without to. For instance, let's speak English. But before we start creating sentences together, we must learn a few words. Okay, please repeat after me. Go to school. Using let's go to school. Go shopping. Using let's go shopping. Go to the park. Using let's go to the park. Take pictures. Using let's take pictures. Clean up. Let's clean up. Play video games. Let's play video games. Read a book. Let's read a book. Have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. Lunch. Have lunch. Let's have lunch. Dinner. Have dinner. Let's have dinner. Do your homework. Using let's do your homework. Watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. Watch a cartoon. Let's watch a cartoon. You can also create sentences with two actions, like let's clean up and watch a movie. Or let's clean up and do your homework. Let's go to the park and have a picnic. Let's go to the park and take pictures. Okay, it's your turn now. Look at the picture and create one sentence. Remember, the sentence pattern is let's plus infinitive without to. Yes, you're right. Let's do your homework. Next picture. Yes, let's go to the park. Very good. Let's go to school. Let's play video games. Well done. Yes, let's read a book. You're right. Let's clean up. Good job, you did great. If you want, you can also write your sentences in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Again, my name is Anna, and this is Rebecca Language School online class. Until next time, see you! forgot my line.